How to create meme in Picsart. Want to make a fun meme to share? Here's how to create one in Picsart. Start by uploading your chosen photo or blank canvas. Add your text using the text tool. Place the top and bottom lines for the classic meme look. Pick a bold, easy to read font and adjust the size to fit your image. You can add stickers, emojis, or even doodles for extra humor. Once it's perfect, export your meme and share it wherever you want. What's your favorite type of meme? Relatable, absurd, or motivational? Share it in the comments below. Use white text with a black outline to make sure it's readable on any background. And that's how you can create meme in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.